Hi, I'm Dr. Sophya Morghem. I'm a cosmetic dentist in San Francisco, California, and my practice is called Sunset Dentistry, and I want to show you guys around. Here's the reception area where you can see there's only one chair. We don't like anyone waiting, so when we set up an appointment for you, we're ready. This is a boutique office. It's patient-centered care. The entire visit is focused on you coming in and your needs. I've got 3 rooms. In the first room, we do a lot of our Botox therapy. In our second room, that's where we do our cleanings with my hygienist. And my third room is our main treatment room. So if you wanted your smile redone or something like that, we would be in this room. So for some of my patients who experience dental anxiety and dental phobia, we have Miss Penelope here. She is a 13-year-old, very senior, very experienced therapy pup. And she's here to help relax your nerves and keep you comfortable during your procedures. All you have to do is ask for her, and if you pet her, she'll stay on your lap. So before you even come into my practice, I welcome all my patients who are wondering what's possible. If you know that you want to change your smile, you want to improve your confidence, but you don't know what it's going to take to do so, you can go to my website and I will make you a free virtual consultation that's tailored just to you. So you would tell me what you're looking for, what your specific needs are, and I can go in and just give you a better idea of what's possible and also how much that would cost and who you can trust for the procedure. So that happens before you even step through the door. So we can build that confidence, that trust before even meeting. Communication is everything, and what better way than to show someone with what things actually look like. So when we're talking about smile design, I definitely use this book, and what you can look at are different cases. What do veneers and crowns even look like? What shape, size, color? There are a lot of options, and a lot of times you may know that you want whiter teeth or a fuller smile, but you don't know what the options are. So I definitely use this book in communicating and working with Frontier Dental Labs.